Hey everyone, it's Devon here with All American Print Supply. We got a very special video for you. Today we're going to be introducing the brand new AAT Folder Pro. What does this machine do, you may ask? We're going to show you in a head-to-head competition how efficient this is with the folding process compared to hand folding and with this little board here. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, tap the post notification bell, leave some thumbs up, and drop any comments or questions you have below. Ready to get started? Let's see this thing in action. Hey, this is Devon. This is a t-shirt folder. I've never used this machine before, but we're gonna see how it works and we're gonna beat these guys right now. You ready?
Hey guys, I'm Vincent and I have zero t-shirt folding experience, but I do have this.
Hi, I'm Rena and I've been in the fashion industry for over 10 years and you're telling me that this machine and this is gonna beat me? I don't think so.
Haha, I won. With the AAT Folder Pro, you can increase your efficiency and productivity while saving costs at the same time. And here's a summary of the data we collected. Total time elapsed, 10 minutes. Folding machine, 60. Folding board, 40. Folding by hand, 47. Let's take a look at the graph. Based on our calculations, it'll only take 1 year to recoup the initial investment, although your case may vary depending on how many shirts, compensation, and hours are specific to you. Keep in mind, these tests by hand is the absolute maximum, with only a fraction of the time per day, while the folding machine will be perfect each time all day. To get the same amount of production, it'll take a person an additional 3 months and $6,140, while it'll take the plastic board an additional 6 months. And as we all know, time is money.
And there you have it. Anyone can bust their back and get tired folding t-shirts all day by hand. You saw this thing, probably not worth the money. There's only one way to go, and that's the AAT Folder Pro, available at aapprintsupplyco.com. This is the best way to maximize your efficiency, your productivity, and your workflow. Drop any comments or questions you have down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button, tap the post notification bell, and leave some thumbs up for the team winners and the losers. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.